Terrorism has no nationality, no religion, no caste, no creed. It respects no border and abides by no law. I offer from this floor a clear proposition. Pakistan is ready to forge a historic, phenomenal partnership with India to jointly combat terror, not as adversaries playing a zero-sum game, but as neighbors who share a moral and civilizational obligation to protect over 1 billion souls from the plague of extremism. All it requires is for India's leadership to step down from the high horse that is galloping its republic towards the abyss, pursue peace with Pakistan, sit with us, talk to us. Let us resolve Kashmir in accordance with the aspirations of its people. Let us end the weaponization of water and build instead a peace as mighty as the Himalayas. Let us return to our shared traditions grounded not in hatred, but in the ancient soil of the Indus Valley civilization. It is not weakness to extend a hand, it is wisdom.